Hi, another tricky and very interesting fractions problem, and please try to solve it yourself before solving together. I hope you figure it out correctly. It is a tricky problem. Let's see the answer, how to solve this. To be able to solve this, as you see, the denominators are sequential multiplication, starting 1 multiply 2. The next denominator is 2, 1 more than 2, 3, 1 more than 3, and it's sequential. To solve such problems, we have to split every term into 2. How? The most clever and genius part of solving this problem is here. When we have the sequential multiplication denominator, we can split it into 2 like this. We have a 1 on the numerator. We can add and subtract n minus n here. N plus 1 minus n, n cancels out with n, and remaining is the 1, and so this fraction is same as this. And according to associative property of addition and subtraction, we can regroup it. N plus 1 and divide it to denominator, n plus 1 divided on n multiply n plus 1. N plus 1 cancels out with n plus 1, and here minus n on n multiply n plus 1, n cancels out with n, and the remaining is 1 over n and minus 1 over n plus 1. So when we have the sequential multiplication in denominator, the splitting in 2 will result in 1 over n, the first part of the denominator, and the second term of denominator will be minus 1 over n plus 1. So if we come here and do it for every term. For the first term will be 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2, which will be 1 minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 3 minus 1 over 4, and so on. And the last will be 1 over 1999 minus 1 on 2000. And according to associative property, again we can regroup the parts of the same with the opposite sign together. Minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, and so on. And last here, before than this, it is minus 1 over 1999 plus 1 over 19999, and lastly minus 1 over 2000. All of the same with the opposite sign will be cancelled out to 0. All of them will be 0, and the remaining will be 1 minus 1 over 2000, which will be this. I hope you enjoyed this tricky and interesting problem.